And that is one of the things nobody tells you about product design and launching a business. Here's my biggest reflection on the journey that I've taken so far to launch Moonbop. Everything is iterative. What do I mean by that? Well, I thought that once I'd found suppliers that could do the products that we wanted and had worked tirelessly to get the right designs and functionality, all the things that we needed, and then ordered samples and waited for them to arrive in anticipation and excitement that they would arrive, and that they'd be like this miraculous thing. Suddenly went from not having any products to now having products that we could share with the world, and start to consider how we can put them out into the world for everybody to use. But what nobody ever tells you is that every single time you do that, there'll always be an imperfection. Whether it's text that isn't quite aligned perfectly, or whether it's you ask for a smooth surface and it didn't quite arrive that way, or magnets that are not aligned, or something turns up and it wasn't perfectly packaged, so it got scratched in transit. Or every so often there's a connected device that isn't connected because somewhere during the process it lost its connectivity. No one ever tells you that, because that isn't what you see on the shelves, or that's not what you see in adverts. What I want to do is help share some of that journey with you, from Moon Zero, which was the first connected device that we looked at the end of last year. Not even a device, really. A simple connecting tag that started all of this. All the way through to where we are now and where we're going. And every time a product arrives or a sample arrives or something happens, I want to show that. I want to show it in its glory and what it does. But I also want to show you some of the flaws, some of the reasons why that product will not end up in the campaign or will not end up beyond the campaign, and why it's important that things are iterative. That includes the digital experiences as well. This isn't just about physical products, but digital experiences are a bit easy to iterate. If you have an idea or you find a bug or something, you can just go and change it very easily. Whereas a physical product or connected device requires a loop, it requires suppliers, it requires logistics, it requires money, it requires design, it requires conversation and collaboration, most importantly. And that is one of the things nobody tells you about product design and launching a business.